Hello guys, how have you been? Today I'll be showing you how to change your background from this to this in 3 easy steps. Step 1, you want to import all your files into Premiere Pro or any software that you're using. So basically you want to open Premiere Pro. So let's say this is your file right here. I'll be dealing with this one first, the one with the plain background. So you bring your file into Premiere Pro. Once you have your file in the timeline, you want to look for a background. You can do this in 2 ways. You can scout the internet for a very nice background for your for your choice, or you can actually create something using any of the softwares, any of the AI softwares that we have nowadays. So for me, I found a picture online that really worked for my background, and I just basically added a little bit of a twist to make it more personalized for my own use. So here is the background in Photoshop. I brought this picture frame in. The program is more of a film review. We call it frames and scenes. You can see some of the episodes right here. And what we do, we talk about different type of films with different episodes. So basically we kind of have this space to actually play with different films, as you can see in the picture here. So that's just a little twist I added on it because the background was already looking so nice. So basically you save that, make sure it's the same aspect ratio 16:9, and then you save that and you bring that into Premiere Pro. So getting your background and putting your personal touch on it is step 2. So when you bring your picture in, you want to make sure your original video is on top of the background, and then you want to go to Edit, Effect and Controls. You want to go to Blend Mode, and you want to try to multiply. So basically that's it. Multiply, you can use darken, play a bit with some of your settings to see what works best for you. But from my experience, it has always been multiply. And what you want to do is now go to color. The major magic trick is to make sure your background is actually as white as possible and you are standing out from the background and you don't have so much light or white spots on your skin. So when you want to deal with the colors, all you have to do is just have that in mind and just play with your exposure. You can put a little bit of contrast, reduce your highlights on your skin. You don't want your skin to be too glowy. Put a little bit of shadows, a little bit of blacks. You can increase the white just a little bit so you can get your background a bit brighter. And as you can see, it's already looking way much better. Sometimes you might have to increase the exposure from the background also. Exposure on the background to push everything out and makes everything a little bit nice. One of the key things I found from my background that was so nice was that I tried to light my shadow to match the original shadow from this scene. So if you can see the lamp right here, you see that the light is coming a little bit from the left and it has a little bit false shadow here. Same thing for me, I kind of make sure there's a light here that I kind of light my shadow to this side. Once you have that, the trick is solved, and then you just have your base and just make sure you don't move your hands too much so you are not cutting into, I do that a lot because that's really, something I need to learn. But if you don't move too much and you are kind of in the space, I think you can get off with with this and you have a very beautiful background. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to check out our content. We're actually a bunch of friends who loves making movies. Our story is right here on YouTube. You can check some of our content out. Talk to you soon. Bye.